Hey, what's up guys, UserTech here. Today we're going to be doing a quick repair on an iPhone 6. Just going to get right into it. I'm going to grab my thin metal pry tool. Now, as you can see, I have not disassembled the penelope screws on the bottom of the phone. That's because the bracket holding the LCD that holds those screws is broken. So if you don't have this problem, you would have to disassemble those screws. Now I'm slowly jangling the screen out, running my fingernail along the line as to pop out the screen. Now to take out the bracket. And taking out the battery connector, you always want to disconnect the battery before you continue any of the repair. If not, you might fry something inside of the phone. So grabbing a spudger is to disconnect that. Now you can continue with the repair. Disconnecting the LCD cables. Pop off like a thin metal, a Lego piece, as Jerry Rig Everything says. Grabbing the new LCD, this one jet black, preferred color. And just making sure that the connectors are the same. I did notice that these connectors have a little bit more slack, and that did make it a little bit more difficult to connect, but I managed to do it. Lining up one connector, one by one. This cable was a bit of a pain in the neck because it had a lot of slack, but with some curved needle nose pliers I was able to connect it to its proper connector. Checking if everything fits as it's supposed to. And now to screw everything in. And popping out the old penelope screws, since this one does have the two brackets that were missing. Placing those in the corner. And now plugging in the battery and its correct bracket. checking if everything fits once again, and checking if there's power and light. And obviously the phone has no battery, but at least we know that the screen works. Getting ready to put this thin tape around the edge as adhesive, double-sided tape that I will link in the description down below. Cutting to size. Don't worry, I won't let you suffer through this. I am gonna speed up the video. Finally placing the screen down onto the housing and clicking it into place. Everything goes just as it should be. And now putting in the 2 pentalobe screws that go in the bottom of the phone. I'm gonna go charge his phone and check. There she is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.